Unraveling the Essence of Patriotism. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the intricacies of the English language and its fascinating phrases. Today, we're exploring a powerful and evocative concept, the sense of patriotism. Whether you're a language learner or a fluent speaker curious about the depths of English expressions, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the layers behind this significant phrase. Patriotism is a feeling of love, devotion, and sense of attachment to one's country and its values. It's about celebrating your nation's culture, history, and achievements, while also contributing to its development and well-being. But patriotism isn't just about pride. It's also about responsibility, respect, and a commitment to uphold the ideals that make your country unique and cherished. When we talk about the sense of patriotism, we are referring to the emotional and intellectual connection an individual has with their country. It's more than just a concept. It's a deep feeling that inspires people to think positively about their homeland and to act in ways that support and defend it. This sense can manifest in various forms, from flying the national flag during a national holiday to more profound actions like serving in the armed forces or participating in community service. The importance of patriotism lies in its ability to unite people under a common identity and purpose. It fosters a sense of belonging and encourages citizens to work together towards common goals, such as liberty, justice, and the pursuit of happiness. Patriotism can bridge differences, creating a cohesive society where diversity is celebrated and mutual respect is practiced. It's crucial to distinguish between patriotism and nationalism, though. While patriotism is about love and respect for one's country, nationalism often takes a more aggressive stance, emphasizing superiority over other countries and exclusion of those who are not considered part of the national identity. Understanding this distinction is key to fostering a healthy sense of patriotism that is inclusive and positive. In conclusion, the sense of patriotism is a profound and complex feeling that encompasses love, pride, responsibility, and a deep connection to one's country. It plays a vital role in uniting people and inspiring them to contribute positively to their nation's fabric. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and importance of patriotism in our lives. Thank you for watching, and remember, exploring the depths of language not only enhances our communication but also our understanding of the world and each other. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.